Hey guys and girls, this is Kevin at Speedway Motors. I'd like to welcome you back. Today we're going to open up a Holley Sniper, one of their master kits. This kit here is rated up to 650 horse. The kit here is a shiny, and the master kit comes included with everything you're going to need to install this EFI system. We'll start off here with the big box here. This one is going to contain your main throttle body setup. Extremely nice shiny quality on this is what they call it. It's also available in black ceramic finish and a gold finish there to kind of mimic the carburetors of the old. Nice thing about this throttle body here is that the computer is actually hidden inside the throttle body, so there's no external computer to hook up, no extra wiring. The harnesses all plug in right here. Fuel inlet, return, throttle lever, tie into your throttle cable, TV cable, kickdown cable, whatever you're using. Nice setup on this. Included in this box as well, you got your O2 sensor for all your fuel mapping. That will have to be installed into your exhaust. Also supplied is a little handheld touchscreen controller. You can do all your tuning, everything else from this right inside your car as you're driving down the road. Or you can let it self-learn. It is a self-learning unit. So as you drive, everything is constantly adjusting. Set this underneath here. Comes all your wiring harnesses. Everything's labeled, pre-terminated, only plugs into one port. Very simple to install. Gaskets, hardware. You've got some clamps for your weld bungs and so on like that for your O2 sensor. Holley's really taken the time to piece this whole thing together, tell you what you need to do and how to get it installed with the instructions supplied as well. A lot of parts in this kit here. This here would be your coolant sensor. In the other box, this being a master kit, we'll have all your fuel supply parts. All your necessary fittings you're going to need to plumb in your supply and return lines. Even comes with a bulkhead fitting to plumb into a return line if you're using your existing tank that does not have it. Nice 20-foot section of Earl's Vapor Guard hose, high pressure, EFI rated. Make sure you're going to run an EFI compatible hose. Return for your tank. They even include a fuel pump block off for your mechanical fuel pump. This one here looks like a small block Chevy. Necessary fittings, a pre-filter and a high flow inline filter as well. And they also supply their fuel pump. It's an 80 gallon per hour pump, or 80 liter per hour pump, and everything's supplied there to mount that down on the frame rail, foam isolator, everything else. All in all, an excellent kit, complete kit if you're looking to do an EFI conversion. Get rid of those messy carburetors, avoid vapor lock, adjusting, tuning, changing jets, all of that. It can all be done from the handheld unit. Thanks for watching, and thanks for coming to Speedway Motors. Any questions, let us know.